Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, July 6th. I hope everybody is having a safe and happy 4th of July weekend. We got a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and that on foot. And I secured these this morning from Lapstone Hammer. They were a sneaker I feel was flying kind of under the radar. When I first seen images of the sneaker, they released two different colorways of the sneaker in the images, and one was a very vibrant and loud colorway. The other one was kind of subtle, and for the first time in a long time, I actually found myself drawn to the less crazy colorway. So it was odd for me not to want the loud colorway. As many of you guys know, I like to put a whole black fit together with some really loud sneakers. And based off the Sneaker Things Pride Dye shirt, I do like to put some crazy color outfits together with some neutral sneakers. This colorway, the colorway I went with kind of, falls somewhere in the middle. I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. We're going to dive right into this unboxing. I don't know if my mic's picking it up, but we're in the middle of a crazy thunderstorm here in Philly, and it's also extremely humid. I was hoping to get this on foot done for you guys out in the streets, out in the elements, but I don't think we're going to be able to, as this rain is showing no signs of letting up. But enough of all that. You know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Nike Air Max 1 from the Windbreaker Pack in the Game Royal and White colorway. It also has hints of yellow. You got that doubled up swoosh. You got the Nike sportswear tag. You also have some more hints of yellow on the sole. And then you have this classic Nike throwback, Nike lowercase hang tag. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'll have an image of the crazy colorway go across the screen. And for the first time in a long time, I found myself more drawn in, you're drawing. Found myself more drawn to the subtle colorway. And it's for two reasons. One, I think that the very loud colorway was very, very similar to the Atmos Air Max 2 Light, which I beat the brakes off of so far this summer. In my eyes, it's one of the better sneaker pickups of mine of 2019, and I've been really wearing them a lot, and I feel like the colorways are very, very similar. Second, it is a Game Royal and White Air Max 1, which is just, brings me back to the Game Royal and White of the OG colorways. And as you guys know, the Air Max 1 is a top 3 sneaker silhouette to me. Air Max 1, Jordan 3. I feel like I say this in every video because I'm constantly reviewing one of them kind of sneakers. This isn't the traditional suede, nylon, mesh Air Max 1. This is a predominantly leather upper with a nylon toe box, which I thought was a very nice touch. You typically see these all leather Air Max 1s, especially in the SE, completely murdered out in all leather, and it's got nylon around the heel, and it's got very, 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 very superb perfecto. It's like a rhinoceros skin. Fuego leather throughout this whole upper. You got the double swoosh in a royal and yellow leather swooshes. You have a blue and yellow lace tip, followed up with some rope laces, and then the tongue is what really did me in. It's got the More Air Nike sportswear tag on the tongue, Game Royal Nike Air on the heel, and there's just not too much to say about the sneaker. You guys know I am an Air Max 1 fanatic. I'm actually going to be doing another unboxing of a different pair of Air Max 1s. I'm probably going to get that video up to you guys on Monday, but just a perfect sneaker for summer. I'm actually going to be definitely throwing together a fire fit. It's already in my head. A Nautica windbreaker with these, just chilling up in Nantucket, sipping on a Nantucket, just doing summer type things in these Air Max 1s. The only regret I have with this sneaker is a Golden State Warriors colorway, and I absolutely hate the Golden State Warriors. I hate Steph Curry. I hate Draymond Green. I hate everything that Evil Empire stands for. One last look at this Game Royal and White Air Max 1 SE, and one detail I did just leave out on that review. Look at that Nike. Look at that Nike sportswear tag right here on the back of the upper. I'm going to go bang out this on foot for you guys. Like I said, it is torrentially downpouring. We're going to be doing the on foot in the room. Just some quick aesthetics to go over with the sneaker. I always recommend going true to size or a half size up in Air Max 1s. Do not attempt to size down, especially if you have a wide fat foot like myself. They get very narrow up top. They get very narrow towards the toe box, and your feet will feel smashed in there. So I would definitely go true to size or a half size up. And that's it. We're going to go bang out this on foot. I'll be back Monday with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.